Bloatwares are pre-installed unwanted apps that come with your phone. Many of these apps run in the background even when they are not being used. They drain your battery, slow down your device, and take up your phone memory. And you can't even uninstall them. In this video, I'll show you how to remove bloatware apps from your Android phone using Shizuku and Kanta. You don't need a computer and you don't need root access. It's completely safe if you follow these steps. Now the first thing you need to do is install Shizuku and Kanta. Open your browser and then search for Shizuku APK. You'll be able to find the application on the Google Play Store. If it's not available for your device, you can tap on the first link with Soft Sonic here and it should bring you here. Tap on download and cancel. This will bring you here and tap on download APK and tap on cancel. This will start your download. Tap on download and this will save it to your device. To download Kanta, you need to go to this website. I'll leave the GitHub link in the description. Now once here, you want to scroll down to the bottom where you see releases. Tap on this. And on this page you see app release APK. Tap on this and this will start downloading Kanta. Now once you have the two apps downloaded, you want to go ahead and install Shizuku and then install the Kanta application. Once both of them is installed, the next step is to go to settings on your device. Here you want to scroll down till you find about phone. On this page you want to scroll till you find build number. Keep tapping on build number until you become a developer. After enabling developer option, you can go back and here you want to search for developer option. You can go to the search settings section here and search for it. You should find it somewhere here, but on Pixel devices you will find it in system. Scroll down in system and you see developer option. Now under developer option here you want to scroll down till you find USB debugging. Toggle this on and you can go and open Shizuku app. And once you tap on pairing, give permission to allow access to notification and then go back. Here you see developer option. Tap on developer option and this will bring you here. Here you want to enable wireless debugging. Tap on the arrow here and then tap on pair device with pairing code. You'll see Shizuku ask you to enter code. Tap on enter code and enter the code you see. Send this and Shizuku will be connected successfully. Now when you go back to Shizuku, when you go back again to the main page, tap on start in this section and this will start the service. Once the service is running, you can then open Kanta. Now once Kanta is opened, you find all your apps on your device. You find both system apps and apps you installed. To view only system apps, you can tap on the filter option here and then you can choose only system or tap on any and you find other categories here. For example, I have the app which is my Pixel on my device. Now when I long press and go to app info, there is no option for me to delete this app, which means I can't delete the app. On Kanta, you can come to the search section here and search for the app. Once you find the app, tap on the app and then tap on delete. You see the option to grant permission to Kanta in Shizuku. Tap on this and then tap on allow. You can choose to restore to factory version or you can choose to just uninstall. Once you're done uninstalling, when you go to search for the app again, you will no longer see the app on your device. To restore the app back at any point, you want to open Kanta and then in the delete section here, you want to check on the app and then you want to tap on the restore button here. The app will then be restored on your device. So thank you for watching this video. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, share this video and subscribe to this channel. Also, let me know in the comment section if this works for you and what kind of video you'd like to watch next.